evening again, late at night. I should start making videos much earlier so that the lighting's better, because so far I'm relying on these kind of lights. Oh, I never actually showed you my wall, but there we go. I'm not showing you my desk because it's quite a mess. But yeah, do you think, guys, I think I'm gonna do a room tour one day. I think that might be quite cool, because there's a lot in my room that can be talked about. Anyway, today I decided I'll do a video just updating you guys how everything is. I mean, recently I was doing videos saying about, doing resets, just working over the summer, just had the ups and downs, a lot of downs in the summer, and I thought, why not just say what's going on now. So I stay still in Edinburgh, still in the Scottish capital city, very fun city, and yeah, I'm still, as you can see, in student accommodation, and the reason for that is because I'm a resident assistant. Being a resident assistant, you get the accommodation discount because they want you to stay, to continue staying. Continue? Depends. They want you to stay with the first year students, to be there and help them. If you don't know what resident assistants are yet, then basically we're like wardens, but we also organize events and just are there to support these students. We were that kind of first line of contact, of support before anyone else, but it's up to them. They can go straight to our managers, ignore us, but we're there if they want to support someone more, like them first. And yeah, that's what I've been up to since September. Well, August kind of, because we had training for this. And basically, I'm sorry, it's been a long day. It's been a very long day. I could start editing the videos. I might do that in my next one. Thumbs up if you think I should. And yeah, also I have a really cool summer planned. Even though I know it's October, I know it's Halloween, but I have my summer sorted out. Be proud. So yeah, not just going to Poland for family stuff, I'm also taking my boyfriend and also having loads of fun. I'll explain more details in the future because I don't want to spoil this not surprise, but I'll tell you. This is like a to be continued segment, okay? To be continued. And just something to look back at in my just initial happiness of getting it sorted out. Especially because this summer was just not, there was no summer for me. It was just work, and then back to studying. So this will be like the complete opposite, and I love it. And it kind of just shows you that, there are the negatives that you gotta deal with, but one way or another you will have positive things coming your way. If you know what the rock bottom is, then you'll be fine. Also, I wanted to show this makeup that just happened today. A really nice combo of the eyeliner. As you can see, I cannot see if I was ever a makeup artist. I'd probably be one of the worst. And lips, I mean, it's the end of the day, so It is not the most flawless looking face, I must admit, but it's still staying, still nice. I also plucked my eyebrows for once and it didn't become a disaster. I just kind of went for whatever's on the outside of the main line. Also, I told you I'm very fluent with English and Polish, but I'm also fluent in Yawning. Yawning is my third language. So if you're also fluent in Yawning, then please let me know. Great. Anyway, this was just a very short, I'd say vlog. That is definitely a vlog now. I can't think of any message to leave with you guys. Any main lesson other than just live life as best as you can and find happiness in everything that you do, and you know the gist. Watch my other videos and you'll get it. But I hope you enjoyed this video and you have a lovely day or a lovely Halloween if you're watching it now. Congrats if you are, and adios.